cars. Oh, cars, Scott.
Did Santa know you like cars?
Mom will help you open that.
Oh, Scott, look at it. What do the cars do? They go around and around?
Open it. Open that.
Okay. Do you have it on, babe? Oh, you want me to open that while you take the paper off, huh? Well, you can take this paper off. Look, there's more paper to take off. So we can get inside and see. Let Jamie see. We'll put him right here on your little chair that Santa brought you. What's wrong with Tom? Tom is going crazy. Oh, boys. Daddy will have to help you put that together, Scott. Wait. Wait, we don't want to lose any cards. Just a second. Well, Scott, look. Before we put this together, let's open our other presents because Daddy's going to have to help us do that. All right?
Yeah.
That's going to take a long time to put all those tracks together. Put all those tracks, and here's the curly cues. And the special cars that go with them. These are... Look at these cute cars. Scott, don't take them out because Daddy's going to have to do them. Daddy's going to have to help
Can
you.
I open these?
Well, wait a second. We have to find them with your name on it. Did you open everything with your name on it?
I did open.
Look, there's still some.
I didn't open that
You
one.
didn't open that one, and here's another one in your sock. Your stocking. Alan, why don't you just let it go? Can't you let it go so you can, well, set that over, can you? Here, we'll set it right up in here, maybe.
Oh, a book!
Blueberries for sale. Oh, that'll be
Now
neat.
can I open that
But
one?
we have to find the ones with your name. That might not have your name. That says to Daddy from Scott. That says to Daddy.
Is
Let's
that my name?
Let's find something else with your name. Let's find some more with your name. How about right there? That one has your name. Oh, sit down on your chair and let's put it right up here and we'll open it up here on your table, Santa brought you. I'll hold the light for a little while. You come over here, okay? Yeah, he still has it in his sock to get. I'll get something for the paper. You can talk to him from there.
That's from Terry and Bill, Scott.
That one.
That present's from Terry and Bill.
Want to drink orange juice, Alan? Okay, we did put
Don't drink the orange juice.
Well, that's a big present, isn't it? Really big. Whoa, you get the paper off paper off of it.
What is that?
Help me do that.
I will.
Farm.
But when I finish up, we'll press it from Terry and Bill, and I'll be there in just a second.
Get it by the Jonathan. Keep the firehouse. Okay. Here, let's find something else with your name on it. Look, Scott. I think this has your name on it. Oh, Scott. Look how big it is. What's in there? Bring it over here so we can see on the camera. Oh, God!
What is that?
Can you tell what it is? Look! A big garage with the elevator to drive your cars in. Oh, wow.
What's this guy? Can you get the box open? Can you open the box?
He's going to take paper out.
Does this one have my name on it?
I think so, yes! Oh, boy.
Around.
It's going around.
Oh, see? It is going on.
Oh, that's what's going around.
Okay, there's Julie.
Are you taking a picture?
Yeah.
Okay, everybody.